Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. I get a lot of people ask me about coming here, what's the best hotels, what's the best guest of work. I don't know people's tastes, but what everyone does ask is how much, what's the cheapest, what's the... I say every time I answer, there's 2 hotel complexes in Soi Lenki, literally centre of Soi Buakhao, and the reason I say check them out, I'll show you now, so then we don't have to keep commenting, emailing, and I'll always say the same places. And I don't get commissions, I've got nothing, all it is position the hotels. They both have swimming pool. Where'd it go? Not today. Don't know what that's about, want money. They're both about position, where they are, cost, prices. They have swimming pools, air conditionings, nice room, joiner friendly, and dead in the centre of Soi Buakhao, next to the LK Metro, Soi Diana, up and down Buakhao, a short walk to the beach, probably 300 metres to the beach. But people don't come here to lay on the beach, that's for sure. So let me show you the first one, which is the OP de Place here. As I said, this is OP de Place, where the bikes are turning at the end, 30 yards, that's Soi Buakhao. Turn right, first left, LK Metro, go straight over, a third of the way down on the right, the other entrance, LK Metro. Soi Diana, good bars. Outside OP de Place, good English food, breakfasts, fry-ups, lots of good bars, good restaurants. The Lone Star, Steak and Company. Further down on the right there, you've got Retox Bar, full English breakfast, 98 baht with all the trimmings. Everything you would want for a 2-week holiday is here. We'll go inside the OP de Place through reception to the swimming pool area. This is the swimming pool area. Very nice, very comfortable. You could lay out here all day, mess around in the pool, and have a kip late afternoon ready for this evening. And literally, you walk out the door, you turn left along Lenki, 30 yards, you're in the middle of Buakhao. All the action's in the middle. You have the rooms around the pool, nice green areas, and an excellent pool. He likes it. Yeah, Kojak in the corner. He likes it. Hello YouTube. Yes you are. You'll be on there tonight, sir. You stay here often? Do you stay here often?
No, I've been to Phuket.
Oh, right, yeah. You like this hotel? Very good. Okay, thank you. You like this hotel? Yes. Very good. Okay. 800 baht a night. If you was to stay at a guest house, it would be 500, 550 a night. No pool, you're staying above a bar. I know what I would prefer. Let me now quickly show you down. Oh, right. I mean, that's Opie the place. Just along from here, you come out of Opie the place, you turn right. And I've asked at the J&P call, they won't let me film inside around the pool. It's a nice pool, it's a nice area. The manager, they do their own. I asked for their website, haven't got one. I will have email addresses in the descriptions that you can go on, you can contact. There is a website for the Opie the place. I really don't understand J&P call. A friend of mine stayed there 2 weeks ago. He said it was great. So sometimes you try and help people, they can't help themselves. Anyway, we've come just along. You'll see Opie the place, 20 yards on the left. And here, J&P call. The rooms are clean, both hotels clean, air conditioning, TV. The same thing you can see through the reception outside. The same, a nice like courtyard swimming pool, good size. Lots of people lay around it. It seems strange to me that they wouldn't let me show you around the pool. It's a nice pool. Really strange. They are the two hotels that I always say to check out because of position. So what we'll do now, I will walk you down shortly to Soi Buakhao and show you exactly where you come out at, how far to LK Metro, how far to all the action. BART buses up and down Soi Buakhao, you can get to Walking Street for 10 baht. It's not over night time. All the BART buses that go down Soi Buakhao turn right and will drop you off 50 yards where they pull up and stop. Drop you off 50 yards before Walking Street. It's a great area here. You're away from the hustle and bustle and you're literally 3 minutes into it. The hotel, the J&P is just 30 yards down here, and I'm going to walk you. I'm going to walk you from the Opie the place to LK Metro and show you how far. It's literally round the corner. There, let me take you there. So we've come out of the hotel, we've turned left along Soi Lenki. This here is Soi Buakhao. Straight over into Soi Diana, down the second road across down to the beach. So we're at Soi Buakhao. We turn right and go along. It's probably 50-60 metres down on the left is the LK Metro. Very, very good nightlife. Even alongside Bacau here, you've got many bars, restaurants, a couple of go-go's. Most of the go-go's are in LK Metro. Down here, Soy Chayaprum, just along here is Choi Sao. Hello, Swadika. Thailand number 1. England. No, Thailand number 1. The Choi Sao there on the right, Chinese restaurant food. Excellent Chinese food. If you're fed up, you fancy. I know what we're like in England. If you fancy a bit of proper Chinese, like an English style, Choi Soy, Chow Soy, very good Chinese restaurant. Triangle Bar, apparently a good night. I'll go there one night and check it out. Apparently it's very good. Oh, we've got, hold on, let's get today's money exchange. From the TT currency exchange. And a load of bikes. there's today's money exchange rates. Soy Bacau TT currency exchange. Oh, GB in Britain has hit 52 at last. Thank God for that. the currency rates are looking good. For the British pound, I really, I don't know for the Australian, the dollar. But you've seen, you'll know if you're Australian or American. All right. Well, there you go. So just here on the left is the Soy LK Metro, and we've seen all that before. This is just to show you from those two hotels. The J&P Court and the OP the Place, both with swimming pool, air conditioning, everything. Tidy rooms. They're 750 and 800 baht a night, but right in the middle of where you want to be. And this is LK Metro. So everywhere is totally different during the day. But this vlog is just to show you two very good, inexpensive hotels that you can come and stay at for 750, 800 baht a night. There's hundreds of guest houses that you'll be staying. You're staying above a bar that's open till 3, 4 in the morning. To me, if I was saving 200 baht a night, I would sooner spend the extra and sleep better. So that's up to you. But why not come out? Stay at the hotel a couple of weeks. Then you can check your own guest houses and see where you'd like to stay. Whether you would put up with that for the next time. Get it right the first time, and then after that it's up to you. Anyway, if you like my little vlog, give me a like, thumbs up, share, please subscribe. There's more, there's lots more. Next one I'll be doing more of Jom Tiem, perhaps Pratham Nat Hill around Cozy Beach. See you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.